In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a staging site using Hostinger. This process will help you safely test changes and updates to your website before making them live, ensuring a smooth user experience for your visitors. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hosting Control Panel, which is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Now, navigate to the WordPress drop-down menu. This menu offers a range of tools and options specifically designed to make managing a WordPress site as seamless as possible. Here, you'll locate the Staging tab. This is what you'll need to work on creating your staging environment. Once you're in the Staging tab, look for the button labeled Create Staging. You should see it prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on this button. This action will begin the process of setting up your staging site. The staging site is essentially a clone of your live site, where you can experiment with different themes, plugins, or design changes without affecting the actual site that your visitors see. Next, you'll need to enter a subdomain name for your staging site. It's a good idea to pick a clear and concise name that reflects its purpose, like staging or dev. This will help you keep track of it easily. Once you've decided on a subdomain, enter it in the provided field. After you've entered the name, look for the Create button and give it a click. At this point, Hostinger will start creating your staging site. This process could take a few moments as it sets up a copy of your existing site in a separate environment. Once the staging site is ready, you'll be able to access it independently from your live site. You can make any changes or updates here and thoroughly test them before rolling them out to the public site. This ensures that anything you do won't disrupt your visitors' experience. Having a staging site is invaluable for experimenting and ensuring that your updates or new features work perfectly before they go live. It gives you the peace of mind that your live site remains functional and error-free while you carry out your development work in the background. And remember, any changes you make in the staging environment won't affect your live site until you're ready to implement them. And that's it. You've successfully set up a staging site using Hostinger. Now, you have a safe space to try out all the creative ideas you've been holding back without risking any glitches on your live site. Thanks for watching, and happy